Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video. If you wish to actually have Google Chrome browser, where do you download it? Might seem like a funny question for some of you, but with all the scams and all the things that are going wrong on Google search when you try to find software, clicking on the wrong link, going to a website that, yeah, maybe you'll have Chrome, but you'll have tons of garbage with it. It's more useful than ever to have a trusted link where you can download the software. So where do you get Google Chrome? On this page. I'll post the link in the description below the video, but it's very simple to remember. It's google.com/Chrome. When you're on this page, you'll simply click the download Chrome button right here, and you'll be ready to, of course, enjoy the latest version of Chrome, which is version 70 as of this video, October 18, 2018. So simply click the link in the description below the video and download Chrome from there, and that's as simple as that. But it's very difficult when you don't know what you're doing to search for a piece of software you want to download on the internet. Because sometimes, as a tech guy, I've seen that so often that people have downloaded something from another website that promised to give that Google Chrome browser or another software, and they ended up with tons of crap. So it's really this link that you need to follow and nothing else than this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.